For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kuha ng Senomar online. Go to your phone or go to your search bar. Type psa.helpline.ph. Same process lang siya ng marriage certificate and birth certificate. Click order now. Then click Senomar. Then click yung box para sa consent. Kung para sa iyo, kukunin mo my own Senomar. Kapag hindi naman para sa iyo, for someone else. Ayun yung mga information na kailangan i-fill upan. Ayan, your sex, male, female, your first name, your middle name, your last name. Kayo na maglalagay ng information kasi bawal ako mag-type ng personal information ko. Hindi allowed. Ayan. Month, date, year, at saka yung pinaka-importante is yung ID. Yun kasi gagamitin kapag magre-receive ka ng parcel mo. Kapag wala kang father, lagay mo there is no father name. Kapag meron naman, put first name, middle name, and last name. Then click continue. Please use the maiden name of your mother nung dalaga pa siya. Yung birthplace mo. Ayan, birth country, birth province, municipality. Pwede siyang nationwide, door-to-door, or pick-up. Yung recipient, Rona, hindi ako yan. Ayan, ilalagay mo yung email address mo, house number, and street name, subdivision, and building name. Example lang yan, yung Negros Oriental. Delivery municipality, kailangan tama yan, pati yung zip code. Especially yung mobile number, dun ka kasi kukontakan. Ayan, check mo lang yung mga details mo kaya nakatakip yan kasi bawal makita yung information. 420 ang Senomar. Ayan, kapag personally, I am the only one. Check mo lang yung I confirm, then click mo yung continue, then pwede ka magbayad through GCash, credit card. Thank you.